My name's Gareth Firth and my wife Helen Firth. We both live in Bolton in Greater Manchester. I am a full-time police officer, work for Greater Manchester Police, and Helen is a
crime scene investigator for the police.
So pretty full on in terms of what we do for our employment. And probably about 3 years ago, we were really struggling with time. Both Helen and I work shifts, and both, obviously, as you can see from our little one here, Hattie, we've got 2 little girls, one's 5 and one's 3, and we're really struggling with time, and Helen basically decided that something needed to give. So we made a decision as a family to go down to reduced hours because Helen had a real passion for property. At that stage we'd already had a buy-to-let, but it was just one single buy-to-let, and we needed to basically up our income so Helen could reduce her working hours so we could spend more time with the family, and that for us was our big motivation, to spend time with our little girls and have some really nice things, and most importantly have some really nice holidays. So we decided, or Helen decided, as everything happens in our house, we decided to join Arsh's EPT, and quite honestly we've not really looked back from that point onwards. And in terms of what Arsh has given us and the network around what Arsh gives us, and the big thing for us is the support. So we know that if we struggle with a particular problem, or we have an issue, or we have a deal that we're not really clear about, or have no clear perspective, we'll either speak to Arsh or we'll speak to the network, and somebody on that network can give us an answer. So it's really invaluable to us, that, because we started this project really as kind of amateurs, and we like to think now that we can give something back, because we feel as though we've got an education through Arsh and through some of the other guys and girls in the EPT, and they really help us with any kind of problem or any kind of project we're struggling with.
So yeah, that we've moved on phenomenally, and I don't think we will be able to do it without the help of Arsh and the EPT, really. Like Gareth said, it's not just Arsh's help that's invaluable. From meeting people at the live meets, getting to know people who are in your area. We now meet up with some of the guys from there who have done other stuff and can offer tips and advice as well. So it's been great.